Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're on lesson 1.4 on page 23, mental math strategies for addition. Okay. Now, as we work through this lesson today, remember anything I do on the screen, you should be doing it in your workbook as well. So workbook should be out, copying down what I do. If at any time you feel really comfortable with what's going on, you can always pause the video, work ahead just a little bit, and then resume the video to check your work with what I do on the video. Here we go, let's get started. We're going to focus on what mental math strategies we can use to find sums. And remember, a sum is the answer problem is the answer to an addition problem. Unlock the problem. The table shows how many musicians are in each section of a symphony orchestra. How many musicians play either string or woodwind instruments? Okay. So this is our table that we'll be looking at here, right here. Okay. All right. First thing we're going to do is count by tens and ones to find 57 plus 15, and we're doing 57 plus 15 because it asked about string and woodwind instruments. So, A, count on to the nearest 10, then count by tens and ones. So, we start at 57, and we get to the nearest 10, so that means we're going to go to 60, which is adding 3, and then we add 10 more, so now we've added 13 of our 15 total. Let me circle that again. Okay, so we need to add 2 more to get to our total of 15. So 57 plus 3 gets 60, plus that jump of 10 gets us to 70, and then 2 more gets us to 72. So 57 plus 15 is 72. Another way, we can count by tens first and then by ones. Remember, we're still adding 15. So we start at 57, jump by 10, gets us to 67, and we have 5 more to go, which gets us to 72. Now, if 67 plus 5 is a little tricky, another strategy, you could kind of use the first one and blend it in. So you get to 67 and jump 3 more, 1, 2, 3, to get to 70, okay? And then you know you have 2 more after that to get to 72, because 3 and then the 2 is the same as adding that 5. But regardless, that strategy also is 72. So 72 musicians play either string or woodwind instruments. Let's try this. Now this might be, if you're comfortable, this might be one place where you could pause. You don't have to though. Find 43 plus 28. Draw jumps and label those jumps to show your thinking. So if we're at 43, start here at 43, we're going to add 28. Okay, so I'm going to jump 10. Going to jump 10. That gets me to 53 on the number line. I'm going to jump 10 more. So now I've jumped a total of 20, 10 and 10. Okay, 53 plus 10 is 63, and now I still have 8 to go. So I'm going to jump 7 of them to get to a number that ends in 0, get to 70, and I have 1 more to go to get to the 8, 71. So if we add up what I've jumped so far, there's 10, plus 10 more is 20, plus 7 is 27, plus 1 is 28, which is exactly what I needed to do. My total was 71. So 43 plus 28 is 71. Now that's just one way. You could do it several other ways as well. All right, that's it for page 23. Let's go over to page 24. And it says we can use compatible numbers. So by now we know that compatible numbers, we are going to cross that out, okay, cross this out. Friendly numbers, same thing. That's really not going to help us much, so we'll cross that page out too, okay. Those are strategies. Now we had, looks like they're using 38 plus 56 here, okay. 38 plus 56. So what we could do, draw a number line, okay? Start at 38. Let me change color. Start at 38. Actually, I'm going to change that up. I'm not going to start at 38. I'm going to start at my bigger number, start at 56. Okay, so I'm going to start at 56 here. I'm going to add 38 to it. So instead of jumping by 10 and 10 and 10, which is a total of 30, if you're comfortable, you could just jump. Oops, sorry about that. Get my eraser out here. There we go. If you're comfortable, you could just jump to 30. Okay, 56 plus 30 gets me to 86, and then I could add 8 more, and I have 94. Okay, so it's still the same strategy, but instead of going 10, 10, 10, I just do the 30 all at once. Let's look at share and show. I'll do the first one. You will have to do the rest of the share and show on page 25 and bring it to me so I can check it, but let's do this first one together. Now again, here, if you're comfortable, definitely pause the video, go ahead and draw all your jumps, and then check, after you resume the video, you can check your work and see how you did. So we have 63 plus 27. The directions say to count by tens and ones to find an answer. Draw your jumps and label the number line. Okay, those are important to follow the directions. All right, 63 plus 27. So I'm going to go 63 plus 10 gets me to 73. Okay. Jump 10 more. Now I've done 10 and 10. I have a total of 20. 73 plus this 10 is 83. So again, I've jumped 10 and plus 10, that's 20 out of my 27. So I only have 7 left. I'm going to jump that 7. 83 plus 7 is 90. Right? So 63 plus 27 equals 90. Okay, boys and girls, that's it for me. Remember to do your best. Always show your work in the workbook. Persevere. Show integrity. I wish you the best of luck. This is Mr. P, and I'm out.